I'm back. Faust is back with the Home Depot review on this Milwaukee maximum grip force strength pliers, lifetime warranty. It is very nice tool. I like the teeth on the end. They are really wide, as you can see, and they have good teeth on them for a nice grip. There's a reaming front on it if you need to open up like a pipe that you accidentally closed up. Okay, you can use the end. I don't know if you could see it or not. They open and close really well. The handles are dipped, and it makes, I don't know, it's very comfortable in your hand to use the thing. The teeth are made so that they can, grip really hard and not slip. And like I said, they open and close really good. It's 10-inch tongue and groove pliers with extra strength. Like I said, there's a lifetime warranty, and it has good grips on it. So I recommend this product. It's pretty nice. Milwaukee puts out some good stuff. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments. Like and subscribe. Watch my videos. This is Faust, and I'm out.